Yeah, I hope you can hear me. Yeah, hi Nova. So currently you can see here. Right now this call writers are there. So these are small sharks. So if you see the amount, they are 15.7 CR. So it's almost 16 CR. Yeah, AP, hello. Both present will eat premium. Yeah, so these small sharks are eating premiums. Like if you have like traded at this region, so like 24 750 is like was at 26 to 27 when these sharks shorted, and now they brought it like 22 to 21 rupees. So almost 5 to 6 rupees like they are eating. So and if you see like the big institutions, they do this like 5 to 6 premium eaten, and then they can also leave, close their positions and leave, again re-enter. So this was the beautiful one, like right from the bottom. And if you go like this was also like at the top, they also shorted like this one just before this fall, like here. If you go back, here also some shorts, as you can see, like put writing is there, but mostly call writing at this region. Okay, so even here as well, and finally it fell. Yesterday also, like we were live, right? So go and check it out. At the end, like mostly like put writers were present. Sorry, put not call writers were present in Nifty. And today there was a gap up, but then after that it fell. And further call writing happened on the way. But in mid-cap Nifty, you remember, like I showed even in expos, like yesterday we saw heavy put writing at the below, and then it was a good gap up in mid-cap. This is Bajaj. This is put buying, not call writing. We were talking about mid-cap. Yeah, mid-cap, remember this put writing, and then it gapped up. And again, like you see that sometimes, as I say, like these put riders were also present while market was falling down. They tried their best. Okay, so even here as well, like they were trying their best to take it up, but finally, like they shorted heavy and took it up. So whenever we are in the sell zone in the smart trend, so be careful. Okay, so it's best to go with when we are in the buying zone. So obviously, if they are like doing all these put writing, so obviously they will take it up. Like you see, wherever at whichever level they shorted, so they finally like took it up. Okay, so and even further. So like in mid cap, mostly put writing if you see. So uh, so let's also change it to 12,600. Bank Nifty, and mostly both sides are dominating. Like in the morning, Bank Nifty, as you can see, like put writing was there, but heavy call writing started right here. Fell. So all throughout the way, like call writing were there. So I have one question. If we don't update the strike price according for Nifty, Bank Nifty, will it affect the HFT? See, if it moves a way lot, like suppose Nifty has moved 200 points or so on, so it's better to change, okay? And also that's what I'm working on, like recently, that is if Nifty moves within a 450 plus minus range, you won't have to change the strike price. So that update, I think at most like next week I'll release that update as well. But just for now, you can, in that update you can also go manual or auto mode. So I discussed about those ideas yesterday, and there are many updates coming up. And yes, so the thing is that uh, like for now it's better to change the ATM. Okay, I mean, you don't get a very drastic change. Like if you see here, let me show you. What I am tracking is with respect to 24,800 and 24,700, because market is mostly like within those two levels. And you see, don't not much change. Like 24,800, you see whatever put trading happened. 24,700 also put trading happened. So it's not like a very big change or something, but mostly like I would say to follow the at the money, whatever is at the money. So also let's today put 24,750. So usually I don't go with 50 multiples. It's just on expiry days. Yeah, stats made easy. Hi, can you guide me how to trade? Is this related to options trading? Yes, it's related to options trading. Still, it seems call writers are more compared to put writers. Top up. Yeah, Pranam boss. Straddle premium increasing. Why? I mean, if both sides are present. Okay, so straddle premiums. Yeah, talking about the straddle premiums, they were increasing just 2 to 3 minutes ago. So now again it's decreasing. So let's see. Ish. Just cut it and then re-enter again. If something straddle premium, I mean both sides are present. Yeah. Like it's even the scores are neutral as well for Nifty and Bank Nifty both. Nifty mid cap short sellers. Let's also look at the stocks. What happened? Like in the morning, I don't trade, so in the morning they were working very nicely. Like LIC, yeah, LICC at the right at the top they shorted, fell. Let's look at Axis Bank. Axis Bank again, both mostly here call writers were present here. Oh, this is today. So today, right at the bottom here, some put writers were there, and here as well. Here both call and put writers were there, right at 9:15 a.m., which shows that they made straddle. Is this in ban period? LIC, Infi. We should change the ATM. Like they shorted here itself. Like today in the morning, that was a big short in Infi. I think I updated that in on X as well. Like in the morning, the big shorts. Just go and check it out, and it's working beautifully. Like the thing is that you don't like look at here 9:16, 9:17, 9:18. The OI from NSE comes at 9:18 and then 9:21, and it's absolute real time you're getting the updates. The call writers, the light rate, and it fell. So and right at the top, like that was right, almost right at the top. SBI, I think yesterday those call writers, they are itself dominating. We saw that the light red. Again, those who are new here, we don't follow the deep green and the deep red. Light red means call writing, and light green means put writing, and those are big institutional positions. So they mostly write, and that's what we follow. Like here, this is HDFC. HDFC also like beautifully worked in the morning. Yesterday we saw ending in like call writing, and then right in the morning 9:16 a.m. huge call writing, and that was the top. Just look at the beauty of this indicator. That was the top. Okay, and again we don't follow these buy sell signals always. Okay, so this is the flagship indicator, the HFT. So again they shorted here and like started turning, but again fell. So now right here they like took some put writing, got support there, but again started falling. Again here some put writing, they are trying their best. Like here the put writers, I mean these are small sharks. If you see, that was the big shark. These are very very small sharks. And so Reliance, our favorite. So Reliance also, like the big shark, shorted right at the top in the morning. That was the last green candle, guys. So this is the power of the big institutional positions. Okay. Like here also they shorted. Yesterday we saw this in the live stream, like they were shorting, and yesterday I showed you everything here. They shorted right here, fell. Okay, so everything, like go and check out the live stream of yesterday. Yesterday I was live for a very long time, so showed you everything. And even in the morning also I made a several posts on X, so just go and check those out. And like this was the Infi one, as I'm saying, like till then that was the fall. Just go and check out the time of the post and the chart, HDFC as well, LIC as well. And then like this was the mid cap, the first post of the day. Then Reliance also I said, like right at the start. Okay, so the updates were given, like today is expiry, so like updates were all given. And I hope if it helps, so don't forget to put a like at least. And again, so the once I say that it's tracking the big institutional positions in real time, people will say that that cannot happen. But again, it's right in front of you. I mean, you are catching reversals. So this was the put writing amount of 39.9. So 40 CR of put writing happened and market reversed. So this is not a joke. Like this, these are big institutions. Anyone can make anything, And again, people say this is just OI. So OI comes at an interval of 3 minutes. Okay. At every 3 minutes, NSE gives OI. So and this is real time, absolute real time. अच्छा इसमें ऐसे बोले कि एक तो नीचे चाप ছিল but nicely touched for you anyways. Yeah, how to identify? Thanks, Ronak. How to identify upcoming trade? Please give some insight as I am new to this indicator. Raviji, Raviji, I think you were a member of like us previously, or are you currently? I don't remember, but see, the thing is that like here, you see put writing happened. Like here also you will see call writing though happened. So look at the amount who is putting more money and where the who is able to bend the charts. Like here the thing is that right at the bottom and then market started reversing and it happens everything in real time. Like just look at observe here. So some put right now like it's 13:39. So now both put and call writers are present, but here right now some put writers came in. Okay, so let's see again. uh, so this was the one, like here right at the top the the light red, the call writers were present and it fell. Okay, so that is how the thing works. And today you won't understand because like both put and call writers are there, they are mostly dominating. So uh, like go and check out yesterday's video, so you'll better understand that. Like in bank nifty also, like shorts are happening. So today what happens is that the shorts that are building up, they are trying to eat premium. So even if much move doesn't come, so they are able to eat premiums. Okay, so there are four colors. We only follow the light red and the light green. Okay, light red is call writing and light green is put writing. Why we only follow that, and what are the other two colors? Deep green is call buying, deep red is put buying. And why do we only follow the call writing and the put writing? Because the big institutions having, let's say, the Jane Street having billions, or the some of the HFTs in India like trading with more than 100 CR or 500 CR. So they mostly short. Okay, so that's why we follow the short positions from the big guys. Okay, so right now, as I like told you that here it happened and you see even slightly movement came like a green candle. So like again, I'm not saying that it always like that only happens or something, but with a high probability you get the move. That my point is that, like, again, the call writers are also present, the put writers are also present. That's what the picture you get. And this thing is like an instant thing. Okay, so like huge, whenever huge positions are taken, so the move comes. Okay, like I mean, if you see here, that is, we were in the morning, like we were following, let's say here, the call writers were present in the morning. Okay, so even here the put writers were also present, but look at the amount. Then the call writers came with big amount. Okay, so even at the end also yesterday we saw big call writing happening, but today after gap up, like these call writers were trapped and then they brought it down. Like even you can see right away in bank nifty as well. Here the call, the as I told you, like they were shorting here. You can see the light red amount is dominating here. Okay. Again, as you can see, like, so like today you may not see a good move because they, whatever like they are shorting, they are just trying to eat premium. Okay. Ajit Adu, no, if I like yesterday after like watching that, even after giving a lot of so now currently you saw that put trading happened and it's going up. Okay, see, these put traders are pumping there. So that's what I said. Like for today, at the very end, you may not see a very good move, but might or might not. But that's the main thing. Like they will eat the premium. That is the main motto. So yes, after watching whatever happened yesterday, today no respect. Like yesterday, I gave a lot of respect. I understood that since such a thing is not in the market, many people will try to stop the service, and because their service is nothing compared to this, like nothing, just right in front of, like for intraday especially, it's nothing, like so. And because people can't digest the fact that an indicator can catch reversals, and that too like during intraday every day, so obviously like people will be there who will try to stop my service. So if I see like any conflict, I'll just straight away block. No mercy or no showing respect as well. Like I even won't think twice. Just simply block. Or though I think I cannot block, I can hide their comments. So whatever I can do, I'll just do it. Like I'll stop wasting my time speaking with them. Like stocks আজই ভালো মুভমেন্ট হচ্ছে, ডিএলএফ হিউজ কল রাইটিং এরকম টপে করে ফেলে দিল, সাইলেন্ট এক্সপায়ারিং নেক্সট. Yeah, mostly in stocks. See, now, right now, call writing happened. So you have to wait for that. Like here, right now, call writing happened 12:02 in Nifty. So this is 28 CR. So this is fairly a good amount. This is a good amount, 28 CR. So now you see one more green candle and it's falling. Okay. And the call premiums are also like nicely falling. So I hope Raviji you got the point. Like again, put writers are coming. See. So like from today, as I said, like from both sides, if people are trying to eat premium, so that might happen. But and so for an intraday player, this is like the best entry. Like for an intraday player, you need the entry points. So So those 28.4 call writers are dominating. Let's see. DLF silent expiry, yes, তোমার indicator আছে বলেই average করার সাহস পাই, নাহলে yeah, so you get an indication that is like some activity is happening from the big say guys, so there is a chance of reversal or something. What if you sum all call writing amount and put writing amount from 9:15 to till can we get direction bias? I did not get your point, RV. So, like, see, there are blank space also. Like, so again, anything you say like that also works on this blank space, right? If you are summing up the call premiums or put premiums, whatever you're saying, so in that blank space also it should happen. And that cannot happen right away like this, that reversal catching, like it cannot catch whatever you're saying, summing up whatever premium, so that cannot catch reversals, right? I mean ऐसे करके अगर reversal पकड़ लेते तो मतलब everyone would have done that, right? So I think that doesn't work. और मैंने कल भी दिखाया कि मतलब I mean, the moves are like this instant for HFT. Like yesterday was the best example. Just go and say the best example was the last Thursday. The last Thursday again. In every live stream, I am saying the best example is the last Thursday Nifty expiry. C's went 10x, and before that, like huge put trading happened right at the bottom, and it pumped up right from there. So So the call writers are dominating. So if even if you see here the big call writers, like here mostly call writers were like hugely present in Bank Nifty also. In Nifty, it's a clear cut picture. Like only call writers were dominated here, and it fell. It happened right in front of you. So like even after like going through, like I think I was live yesterday for 3 to 4 hours or more than 3 hours. So after that, like haters are coming and just commenting anything, like this is just OI, this is just, this cannot happen, this is nonsense. अरे भाई मैंने 3 घंटे बैठे आपको दिखाया कि मतलब ऐसे ही लाइव डेमो था. आई एम नॉट क्लेमिंग एनीथिंग, आई एम शोइंग लाइव. तो after watching live, if there are people doing this, like I'll straight away ignore and I'll move on, and that's it. So again, as I said, like even in the last one, like once like such big put writing happens, so we can like, and it reverse, we can like draw some horizontal lines there. Okay, so like here the big put writers were there and they reversed it. Okay, so even this blue yellow line was drawn in some other expiries. So anyways, I mean, if you look at Bank Nifty, so like the call writers went like here and then like it came down here. Some put writers are there, but mostly if you see this section, it's a call writing dominance. Again, you saw here right there, like the it was slightly going up, then again the call writers shorted and again it fell. So that is the magic of this indicator. So, and we only follow the light red and the light green, okay? And that is pure magic, like. And again, like I can claim after market hours that my indicator this did that one that what like it captured reversals, but live market is special, like. And now you can see right there the put riders came in and the next is the green candle that is coming. I mean, it might end in negative also, but the main point is that like they are trying their best to take it up. So I always say that wait for, if you are going with them, wait for the charts to bend. Okay, don't directly jump. You will get the idea that is the charts are bending and moving in their direction. Or even in Bank Nifty also it happened. So when I say that in both it happens the same thing, it's a usually a good sign. So in Bank Nifty and Nifty both put trading happen. See, now you are getting the sign like it's like it's going up. So I mean it's the best entry point, like just when the chart starts bending or trying to show reversal, it's the best entry point for an intraday trader. Like nothing could be better than this. Nothing could be better than this. I mean, right in front of you, right here, at this moment, like it happened. Okay, so those who are new, again, you saw the magic happening, right? Sorry. Yes, you're right. The alerts with headphones on cracks ears, right? I mean, but I think you can change the sound. I don't remember exactly, but I think you can change the sound. Let's say in notification, play sound. Yeah, you can change the sound. Like that alarm clock, yes, it's very like oh, you can change it to something soft. So there are many options for. So guys, I mean, at least the indicator deserves a like for this one. I mean, even for buyers also, like on an expiry day, so this is the best one. Like you can easily get a very nice return. So at least one like for this one, guys. So Raviji, I hope now it's clear. Like this is a proper example which I could have shown you. Like yes, I mean Ronak is saying in this one candle the subscription cost would come up. Yes, I mean it's true. Like see, like such a reversal kind of thing, and especially on expiry day, just go and check out how the premium moves nicely. Like, and if you just even go and little in the money, if you go and buy call, so that would like simply go give you a I mean nice return. So you can easily go with delta 1 calls in the money. So I mean guys, this is I mean isn't this the best leading indicator the market has ever seen in the history of the stock market? So again, I am not claiming, don't believe my words, just look at the result and live results. Okay, so you don't have to believe me. So this also guarantees, like suppose when we are, as I always say that I have already said this in the past as well, like whenever it's in an uptrend and further put writing is happening, we don't follow the deep green, so we can expect a further up move. That's also like another sign of that the trend continues or something. And then suppose like yeah call, so now this hasn't printed, it's still thinking. Okay, so suppose after thinking it has printed that call writers are present, then that is also a nice signal to close the long positions. Okay. Arey bhai, now, so when you got this signal, why didn't you like see now also put writers are here right now? I mean, the point is that your option dynamics, your name is option dynamics. So if you trade options, you should understand that whenever we got the right signal, okay, then it's the best time to entry, right? Like here. Okay. And when after the move came, now here also like put writers are, so we can expect some further move or like a little bit of consolidation. But the point was that like here, that was the best entry, right? Like here, we were live and that was another one, like call writing happened, it went down. So you have to give, I mean, you have to know the best entry and exit point. Always what is going to happen, like if you do that, so that won't make sense, right? So again, I'm saying that here again further put writing happened. So we can expect a little further up move. So, and it's like you can see yourself it's happening. But the main magic was this one, like red candle and then it all went up, right? So this was the magical one. It's still lagging. Why? It happened right here at 218. How can it be lagging? I mean, this is trading view, guys. Like, it's real time. The charts are real time. Like, you see what is the time now? 14:26. This is the 1426 candle. Where is the point? Like, where is the lagging point? It's a leading indicator. So if it's like giving you a reversal like this, it's the best leading indicator in the market. So yeah, you see, so again, so this up move, see option dynamics. Now you agree, right? So as I told you, until unless a huge call writing happens, so these are the put writers which are dominating, okay? And then they further short it, okay? Now this is thinking, let it still print. This is thinking. Oh, so if you say it's lagging, it's YouTube. So YouTube's live stream, I think it's 30 seconds or somewhat 15 seconds lag is there. YouTube live streams. But I cannot make the trading view terminal lag, right? Because now you see call writers are coming, but let it print first, okay? So until unless it prints, so we cannot say or conclude anything. Yeah, so again, today, like, if I see anything like, you can keep lagness na YouTube. I didn't understand Ajit Babu, so YouTube lag I cannot handle, right? That 30-second lag there will be there. So yes, now they printed call writing, so we should close the long positions. That is also a good sign. But I close it very early. But the thing is that is also a good sign to close the long positions. Okay. And you see the charts are, these call writers are like they shorted here and they are trying their best to take down Nifty from the next candle. I mean, look at that, look at that, guys. So the next candle comes down. Like it was going up and then like here the call writers came in and the next candle comes down. Isn't this magic? Guys, another call rating is no, this is still thinking, I think. This, you saw the beauty here. Guys, if this is not, triggering your goosebumps, so, I don't know what will. I really don't know. Like, exact bottom, exact top. Okay? Guys, like, what is stopping you to put a like? Likes are anonymous, so what is stopping you? So is there any video explaining your indicator? I joined first time now. Yes, there is. Go under any video and look at the description. So there in the description you will figure it out. Okay, so Again, guys, look at that. Right there, some put riders came in. Okay. I mean, is this not like the best indicator that one can have for intraday? So guys, I hope like I mean you got the point. I mean, people can say that your concept is nonsense, this cannot happen, that cannot happen, but ultimately it's happening and it's happening live. Okay, so whatever I'm claiming about my product, it's happening and it does its job perfectly. Okay, so till now everyone could say that only god and a liar can catch reversals from exact top and exact bottom. Today I showed you an indicator is catching exact reversal from exact bottom, and again this move like it lasted till here, till exact top there. Okay, again some put riders are coming in right here and they are pumping it up. So I mean, now these are very very small sharks, so let's see. But the major one was this. Okay, so yeah, someone will be there every day. So again, please don't spam. I won't like yesterday. I tried my best to explain to no more. I decided no more. I'll just straight away like even after watching this, if you say that this is just OI, this is anything anyone can do, I'll straight away block. No mercy. If you are after all this, if you don't understand anything, so it's not my fault. You ask questions wherever you don't understand, you ask questions, I'll be happy to help. If you want to see any stock, if you want to see anywhere how it happened, how it reacted, so I'll show you everything with 100% transparency. So after that, if you utter nonsense, then and deliberately if you do that, so I won't waste my time. Yesterday I wasted a lot of time after realizing that you cannot change people. So you are just wasting your time, and that's the thing. And there will be many people who would definitely try to, I mean, take this down, because this is something no one has ever seen, no one has ever done, and no one is even near about doing this. So the thing is that yes, so people will obviously try to stop such a service. Umesh, hi Orko, booked good profit in the morning. Thanks. Thanks, Umesh. Bye. Uh, Knowledge Hub, yes, Dasji, in this day, the age option and age option, which is derivatives, has become the leading indicator of the market as the money is, it is crazy. Literally, like, tail is wagging the dog. Yes. Do you have any latest video where your indicator is? Yes, yes, I have videos. Like, let me show you the videos also, and also if you go to the description of the like, you will see. So let me show you. So here is the channel. So let's go to the video section. So again, this one, like the how to catch reversals and how the high probability setup. So in this I have explained, and also like if you want to scalp, so then look at these videos, not the work one. These videos, open challenge, and this one. So the track the Jane Street option, a game changer. From game changer, you can watch this. I mean, you can skip and watch it all as well. Like once you see, you get the thing. But the main ones are these two videos. Okay. And also if you go to the description of any video, you will find out, like, so just like here, go to the description. So how to add the indicator, so how to use this indicator. So this, the video links are given in the description. Okay. So yeah. uh, Everyone has some haters, ignore them. Yes, obviously, like I previously used to think that like if I make them understand, they will understand, but no, they are not here to understand. They are here to stop this thing. So, and many people are benefiting. So, and like if people will benefit or not, you can very well understand from the indicators performance. Can we do swing trades? Yes, so that's what I also said yesterday. That is, for swing trades, you can use the dynamic stop navigator, but the thing is that for this HFT is like something which is very instant. Okay, so the big guys, they take options in the positions, and right from there they start bending the chart. So that's why it's mostly beneficial for intraday, and not, the HFT is not beneficial for swing trading or something. But in for swing trading, you can use this SmartTrend. So the SmartTrend, that buy sell, so you can go on higher time frame, and there you can use it for swing trading. Okay, so uh, can we do? Yeah, I answered that. At 1427, 81 crore of call writing were absorbed through, although it went down in line with that, but move was less than expected. See, today it's not about the move. The as I said, like starting of this live stream, Sumit ji, the thing is that today mostly the call writers or put writers, whoever is doing, mostly think that they are just trying to eat premium. Okay, so even if market ends at, let's say they have shorted 750, so even if market ends at 750, like they just need that much. Okay, they just need to eat premium. So that's why Ravi ji came and said that, explain me. So I was giving a live example, but there I said that like movement today might not be that much, but this move was a fair one. Like, sir, kindly let's cooperate on the next trade. Let the dogs bark, Prasad Rao. I am an annual subscriber member, if you remember. Yes, I remember, Prasad ji. Yeah, absolutely. Umesh Yadav, Orgo sir, make a separate video for your new feature, alert feature. Yes, I have made it. I have made it. So I think that is the last video on YouTube that I posted. I made it. Just check it out. I think that writers wants expiry around 24,750. Yes, that is fine, but sometimes it happens like suddenly, like at the last minute, things like it happened the last Thursday itself. Just go and check out. Like last Thursday, we got the C's went 10x, 14x. So before that, there was heavy put writing at the bottom. So yes, still also we think that, but anything can happen. Like be prepared for anything always. In options, derivatives, anything can happen at any time. So can you have one session on prospective indicator subscribers? Yes, I can do that. I can even like the sub like the, I mean, if you want a dedicated one for the subscribers, so yes, we can do that as well. And so let me introduce the new features that I talked about. Let me I'm working on them. So like yesterday I talked about the new features coming into HFT and the other things, the scanner I'm trying to build, and then after that, like we can have one session for just for the members. Straddle is below the VWAP, so the writers are safe. Yeah, so it's also here as well. But anyways, anytime anything can pump. But still, like here also you saw the thing that is um, when you are planning to release the new features. So yes, the new features like I talked yesterday in the live stream. So I think to code them and fix the bugs I need 1 week, and I think that's it. Like I think huge down move below 24,750, seeing the bars. Am I wrong? No, see, like let's it might also not happen. They are writing just to eat the premium, so let's see. I think huge down move cause there is a huge light trade bar. So this is not very huge if you compare it, like if you compare it through the whole section. So this was the like huge one. This was a good one. Like this was 48.4 CR where that pump stopped. The up move stopped. Uh, AI money flow. Yes, let's look at AI money flow. AI money flow is flat. Bank Nifty slight positive. That's it. You have given trial for your indicator fees. No. No, so for trial I come live and give the, I mean, give live demo, so that like even if you have any questions you can ask and I can clarify that out. You have given a but for 48 CR to make profit it has to move down is no to it's not on non-expiry days, Ajit Babu. So on expiry days it might or might not, because on expiry days they are like writing calls to just eat premiums, right? Yeah, AI money flow like works there. Yeah, now it's falling. Like these are having effect right now. So, anyways, even in Bank Nifty also you saw those call writers were there, like the light red. No, it's not my chart, Prasad ji. So the thing is that it's YouTube. Like YouTube live streams are not actually, I mean, absolute live. Like it's slightly delayed. Like the signal gets delayed by like let's say 15 to 20 seconds. I think that is YouTube's delay. Thanks, Rana. Sir. Your chart is having, yeah. See, it's going down now. Yes, Ajit Babu, I agree with you. I absolutely agree. But on the expiry days, you have to keep that in mind. Okay, I absolutely agree with you. But as I said, like there is a difference on expiry days and non-expiry days. Okay, on expiry, non-expiry days, we can surely expect, because until unless move comes, I mean, they won't be able to eat premiums. Okay, but on expiry days, if the index just expires there, they will be able to eat premium, right? uh, Ajit Babu, when you see something like that 32 call writing, wait for the put to break the previous high. Yes, that is also a good observation. Like I also do that. Like I take the mean of the put value and I wait for it to break, so then I enter. So in one of the messages in the Telegram I said to the members. uh, Curious question, why would move not come even after put or call writing numbers? You told they are writing to it premium, but move should come at the same time since call puts are written. Yes, I said like it's just you have to keep in mind that today is expiry. That's it. Like Ajit Babu, can we keep it zero lag in YouTube, bhai? No, I see like there is no option in OBS, and even like if you Google, so like you will see that there you can't do anything. Like So you can search Google like here. Yes, live streams can experience lag, which is delay between broadcasters delivery and viewers time. So this happens like with everyone. This happens. See, there is dark red now, means it will go down more. So around 2470 might be the expiry. Yeah, so the thing is that like they are writing like 750. Okay, so the expiry has to be like for them to win. The expiry has to be below 750 or something. Okay, until unless they change their positions. And dark red means no, dark red. We don't go with dark red, Ajit Babu. Yes, dark red put options like put buying. So we don't go with put buying. Do you have a Telegram channel? I follow you. No, I don't. So it's only for the members, just for hand holding. Again, no tips or any recommendation to buy, hold, sell or something. He told it's for options buying the dark red. Yes, dark red means buying. So we don't follow that. I tell that in every live stream. So we don't follow that. No dark color we follow, but why do we keep it? Just for reference. So in the next option, I'll try to remove that as well. Like if you want to keep it, you keep it, or otherwise you remove it. Yes, dark red we ignore because put buying doesn't always bring market down more often than not. Yeah, so sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Because what happens is that, as I told you, the main reason that is, suppose a big institution who is like trading with 1000 CR, we are following those type of big institutions, right? The Jane Street types or Jane Street, they are trading with billions. So they mostly write. Okay. So they mostly write. And that's why we follow the light green and the light red. The light red is the call writing, the light green is the put writing. That's it. As simple as that. We ignore the deep red. Okay. Uh, any hero zero opportunity today? The hero zero was, I think, this one, like right from the top and right from the bottom. The reversal was caught. Cause slight move than 30 to 40 CR can get wiped. Yes. Because suppose if they are taking very heavy positions, so slight decay and they a huge, I mean, amount can get wiped. So that's why they prefer writing. They have time to move the market. Even if the market is not moving in their direction, they can move the market. Right here you saw the bank nifty put writers are there and the next candle was green. Like you can see the future. Like I mean, this is the beauty. You can get a little bit of idea about the next the color of the next candle. So and it's all happening real time, no delay, nothing. So if dark colors are removed, then it will uh, declutter the whole thing. So there will be two options. Suppose if someone doesn't want the dark color, the buying, so they can have it removed. Otherwise, like they can also keep it as same as it is. So I'll make that option in the settings. And whatever I'm thinking, I told you that in that case, I'll put the light green above the horizontal line and the light red below the horizontal line. Anish, I have selected ATM as 24,700 and number of strikes as 122 CR. Writing 24/7 PM has happened, which means market can go till 24/700. Your views, please. So yes, I mean they can scalp or something like that. Also, that can happen. Okay, but look at the overall view. Okay. Yes, I can understand you are analyzing every strike price, but it happens. But they can also be like in the money. They can also like go and short. I totally agree, but always follow the ATM and overall get the view. That is, suppose they have done writing. So if they have done at 700, so 750 should be safe for us to short. So think like that, like so for now it's pumping up, like here even in Bank Nifty also the put riders were present there. Epic, can you please show the indicator at 12:39 today in Nifty? 12:39, yes, sure. Thank you. I even showed the full picture. Again, I'll show. I think we already have the option check, uncheck. No, in that case, it's not working properly because I have calculated, I have made the code in a little bit different way. So basically, that's why it won't work. Like in the option, if you uncheck, it won't work. I like to keep the dark ones as it helps to distinguish between only writing versus. Yeah, so I also like to keep it, but again, if you don't want, we can get it removed. So now here, no, it's still thinking. It's still thinking here, so it hasn't printed. Yeah, now call writers, it has printed. So call writers are here in Bank Nifty. Okay, so let's see. Again, yeah, straddle premiums have fallen. Like, yeah, yes, someone said what was the time? 12:39, yes. 12 12:30 40 39. Here 12:39 was here. Let me take the mark. So this was it's falling here 12:38:39. So in this we saw the light red, light green. Here the big light green came in. Like now you have to go like and see that this is also a shark. This is also a shark. Now this is a big shark. Now who is putting more money? Okay, and also like suppose if even they are in equal quantity, right now you saw those call writers, guys. Right now I said like look at here, the call writing happened, and next candle you saw red. So you get to see the future. What do you need? What else do you need? I mean, again, yes, even if they are in same quantity, so then see who is more powerful or what has happened a little before that, like where there more call writers or where there more put writers. So and who is dominating the charts? Okay, usually if same amount it then consolidates. Okay, usually, but that's how to figure it out. And that's how like it caught the perfect reversal there, like it was a perfect reversal from there. So just that was the last red candle there. Okay, and market was falling and that was the last red candle it pumped up. So and even while like pumping up, so call writers, put writers both were present. So but you have to go with the big sharks, the bigger ones. Okay, so okay guys, things are pumping. Let's see. Let's look at our AI money flow. So still see monthly expiry at the very end, something can happen that might not make sense, but wait for it. So even right here also some put writers came in, like the light green happened. So that was like 12:58. Funny Dasji, when you get some time as requested yesterday, kindly give us option to read the money value in decimal. Like yes. Right, I remember. This might be a bull trap. Might be because still it's thinking. Let's see. Or it might end at 800 or something. Let's see. Again, call writers are there in Bank Nifty, but it's pumping up. So monthly expiries at the end, like many things they have to expire at their end. So again, many things can happen. So again, wait for the charts to bend. Like if these are the call writers they have done, so wait for the chart. If the charts are not bending, don't go with them. So it's not like, because it's especially monthly expiry, so they have to let all these stocks and everything end according to their wish. So, oh, even in like here, we should change the ATM as well. So let's say put it for 100. Maybe, or could be last attempt till 25 500, then blood. No, it's at 24 800. You have any dedicated indicator Telegram group? No, dedicated indicator means like, yes, like we have this Nifty, Bank Nifty AI money flow, and also we have this HFT Algo Scanner, which is like, which works for FNO stocks and indices, and we have this SmartTrend. No, swing trading or something, so that I'll have to work. For now, for swing traders, like you can use, or positional even, so you can use a SmartTrend. I think at 800 it will expire. So Yeah, so call writing at the top it's happening, but let's see again. If the charts are not bending, don't fight it, like, because monthly expiries, no one can say anything. Like, even the big guys might be making some loss or might be ending at cost to cost. Yeah, C's are pumping, like, so that's why, like, it's not, it's better to keep away. So in expiry after 3 p.m. the accuracy of this indicator reduces. See, like always, the thing is that if it's pumping in one direction, so let it pump, like so don't follow. If the charts are not bending, as I always say, like if the charts are not bending, so don't follow. Wait for the charts to bend. And if you see that it's not, then just go with the AI money flow and the smart trend. That's it. Okay, so the AI money flow, even the Bank Nifty AI money flow went positive at this region, like 1434. So suddenly some positiveness was seen. So I think some big guys were making some long positions, but yes. So that's why we have like these three things, that is the AI money flow and the smart trend and the dynamics, sorry, the HFT. Okay, so I mean they are trying their best, but again they are failing. So might be that like they have further averaged it out. So big institutions can do big things, but again, as small retail traders, we cannot firefight like them. So it's better to either stay away or follow the AI money flow and the smart trend. That's it. Okay, and keep in mind that whatever HFT is showing, keep that in mind. So yes, you have a strategy. Yes, I have a feeling this short rally will get wiped out now. So might not be like monthly expiries might be tricky. So can you incorporate AI money flow also incorporated? Ajit Babu, I did not understand your last question. So in expiry, can you incorporate AI money flow also like you want AI money flow on trading view? So that's what like the main problem is, like due to limitations, so we cannot, due to limitations we cannot I mean get the AI money flow on trading view. So PineScript has many limitations. Because the last move in a this last monthly expiry, what happens is that whatever might be like they are having positions from long back, so they might be trying to get those into profits or get a profitable zone to end the stocks and everything. So that's why like monthly expiries can be dangerous. But yes, always use SL. So suppose even if you are shorting here or here, use SL. So because you are in the buy, especially you are in the buy while you are in the buying zone and you are shorting. So you are in the buying zone of the smart trend and you're shorting. So do keep SL. So Maybe there are shorting next series options if you are taking that into consideration as well. So no, this is current expiry. My doubt is that huge light red money is wiped out. So the thing is that they have done call writing. So I mean, yes, they will go into loss, or like here they might average it out, and if they are not still not able to bring it down, so I mean they would face the loss. So I mean that's what I say. Like out of 100 times, if they are facing, let's say 5 times loss, so it doesn't matter. It's all about business. So in a business, if they are 95% correct, so it's a very good, like it's a very good return they are getting or they are generating. So and that's why also we have our AI money flow as well. That is like sometimes if the HFT like indicator fails to catch the big institutional positions, or sometimes like, so what happens is that the HFT has been designed for getting reversals. So I have designed it so that it can catch reversals. Okay, so what happens is that once market starts moving, it looks for short opportunities. Okay, so it looks for call writers mostly. Mostly it looks for call writers, the big call writers, and then like whenever it's like going down, it tries to look for big put writers. So that like you can catch reversals with it. So it has been designed in that fashion so that it can catch reversals, and that's why sometimes when what happens is that when market is pumping in one direction, it's like mostly trying to figure out the short sellers. Okay, and there it you might not get green signals. Okay, so there it might be like that's the point where the HFT is like I cannot also do, I mean if I want to perfect it, it will lose its uh, like the thing is that it will lose its edge of catching reversals. So that's why in such a scenario I mentioned that suppose first of all you are in this if you are in the smart trend buying zone in the smart trend, or whatever, like even if you are following HFT, put a SL. Okay, especially if you are in the buying zone in the smart trend. And the next thing is that if you see one directional move in stock or indices, then it's best to go for, yeah, we don't have AI money flow for stocks, so it's best to pair up with AI money flow and smart trend. And pairing them up, you can write the move as well. So very simple three indicators. You have to like just use the best out of two, or like the best one, the HFT, or best out of two, out of three, best two out of three. So maybe there are shorts. My doubt is that huge light red money is wiped out. It's not that like today their total money is wiped out. So like the premium difference they have to pay, right? So might be that they have made so much during the day, so it might be that. Like try to think like they have shorted their like yesterday from there. So at that moment like premium were huge yesterday. So from that time they are eating. So they have already eaten a huge premium. So don't feel pity about them. So the thing is that how can we save ourselves? So the answer is like AI money flow or SL. That is how to save ourselves in such scenarios. Okay. So it might happen that some big guys are also fighting among themselves. So that might also happen. So that's why we have to save ourselves, and that's how we can do it. Like either combination of HFT or HFT SmartTrend or AI money flow and SmartTrend. Okay. Algo see 26 expiry Nifty. Maybe this is the reason why this rally 26/06/2025. This is 26/06. Why this rally not catch up? Why this rally not catch up? Ajit Kumar ji, why this rally not catch up means like क्या आप क्या बोलना चाह रहे हो? So I said like, oh, why you did not get the signal for this? So like at the bottom the put riders here, it like there, but they were small sharks like here even. So no, this is the one, the next one, this one, the 800. So but yes, sometimes like it might happen that it fails, like because it's all about probability. So but then you all have to do is like follow the AI money flow. So the AI money flow, if you see like 1501, 1502, 1504, so showing strength like going up. You not convinced? Yes, you like you may not be convinced, but what about the others? Like what about this one? What about this one? What about this one? Like it came down. So what about all those things? See, you have to look at the percentage. Okay, so how many times win or loss? So if out of 10 times, if you are winning 9 times and one loss, so that works like brilliant. That is brilliant. So that is something brilliant in the stock market. Okay. So if you are not convinced with winning 9 times out of 10 times, how can I keep a poll in YouTube? So Ajit Kumar ji, why didn't you comment like when we were catching those reversals? Then you did not come, right? So you find only one flaw and you keep on repeating there. Is it so? I follow the PCR footsteps. PCR put call ratio. Put call ratio is comes every 3 minutes. Hello. You must know that like you get OI data every 3 minutes. OI data is not real time. I count CP buying. Then how can I show at 9:15 a.m.? How is the indicator showing at 9:15 a.m. or 9:16 a.m.? How is the reversal, sudden reversal? So if it was with PC ratio, like look at this reversal. Okay, look at this one. 1240, 1242. Okay, explain all those reversals with Like here we saw the call writers were present at the end. Today gap up and then again it fell, right? So this 3 p.m. move, yes, that's what I'm saying. If suppose, like, let's say that you have shorted here, okay? Or let's say that you still haven't shorted and you are trying to see what the 3 p.m. move is or what you can capture. So you can go with the AI money flow and the smart trend. In the smart trend, you are in the buying zone, right? Or if you have shorted, you are in the buying zone and your SL gets hit. Okay. देखिए आपके लिए 3 PM आज के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है, आज ही कैप्चर करना है, तो ऐसे करोगे तो स्टॉक मार्केट में कैसे रहोगे? मुझे अभी 3 PM वाला ही चाहिए, तो ऐसे करोगे तो मतलब थोड़ा दैट वुड बी चाइल्डिश, राइट? सी बैंक निफ्टी, बट देयर इज 3 PM मूव इज वाइटल फॉर ऑप्शन. सो आप बैंक निफ्टी में भी देख लो, ये जो मूव आने के पहले पुट राइटिंग हुआ था. After that, when it went up, so call writers were present, but just look at here. So 258, 253, 249, their put writers were there and it pumped up. But in Nifty, we did not get the signal. तो आप बैंक निफ्टी का पकड़ लो अजित कुमार जी. तो आप अगर एक्सक्यूज दोगे तो बहुत सारे एक्सक्यूजेस है, ठीक है, लेकिन आप अगर सही से आप बोल रहे हो तो you could have captured it in bank nifty, right? Yeah, congratulations. So Dasji, I very much respect you, sir. See, now it's coming down or something. So, no, it's not coming down. So, anyways, uh, yes, you can do that as well. But also, I say that, देखिए, एसएल तो हिट होगा ही. मतलब आप कुछ भी कर लो, मतलब मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि मेरा एकदम मतलब एसएल हिट नहीं होगा. Thanks very much, Ajit ji. So the thing is that sometimes it happens that we get indication in one index, we did not get in the other one. So it might happen that as well. और so उसके लिए क्या है कि मतलब first of all we can like I mean I have said that if we are in the buying zone in the smart trend, so if you are shorting, so use SL. Okay, so एंड अगेन आप अगर मतलब इंटरडे में अगर कुछ मूव्स पकड़ लिए, मतलब यू हैव कैप्चर्ड सम इंटरडे मूव्स लाइक दीज टाइप ऑफ रिवर्सल्स एंड सो ऑन. सो आई मीन डोंट वेट फॉर द 3 PM वन, लाइक especially monthly expiries, okay? And just before 3 PM we did not get special signals, like if you see it was blank in Nifty, but yes, in bank Nifty there were put writers. So in Bank Nifty, it was making sense. Like even if you see in Bank Nifty AI money flow, there were put writers, because see here, right before like 12 238, the score went positive. So the put writers were there. But in Nifty, there were the score was flat. So it all makes sense. But again, uh, there would be regret that we couldn't capture that move. Yes, I agree, totally agree. But again, tomorrow again there will be reversals. Every day this indicator is catching reversals, right? So again tomorrow also there will be reversals, this indicator would be catching. So every day there would be opportunities. And again, one-sided move, you can also again go with the AI money flow and the HFT, okay? Sorry, AI money flow and the smart trend. So in a one direction move, the AI money flow and the SmartTrend is the best combination. Okay, so that is the best combination when market is like somewhat in one direction. Because the HFT is designed for reversal. So whenever market goes up, it will look for reversal opportunities. My intention is, yes, I agree with your intention, Ajit ji. And share me back the back tested results, then all should have confidence. No, so you cannot backtest. I have cleared this out. Like on TradingView, you cannot backtest because you don't have options data. Okay, so now what you can backtest is you can go back and check with this series. Okay, especially the last week you can backtest because this series was active throughout this last week. So just backtest it. And even for backtesting it, why do you need like today? So every day I'm posting, every day see that some days it goes 100% correct. Okay, I've shown you that. Some days only one wrong move max to max it comes or something like that. But again, out of the 10 moves, if you are even going 2 wrong, 8 correct, it's a good setup. And even when the HFT goes wrong, the AI money flow is there to save us. So that's also shown. That's why I say that this is a complete setup. With these 3 indicators, it's a complete setup. Let's do this every expiry. Yes, I was there in the last expiry also. Last expiry it caught that up move. Last up move it caught from right at the bottom, but this expiry did not. So as I say, if it doesn't, I'll happily accept. So as I say that I have no ego problem or something that I would go against it. Yes, I'm saying that it wasn't able to capture this one, the HFT. Like this light green was there at the end, but again it was a small shark, not some big sharks. So wish this indicator existed when there was everyday expiry. Yes, right. So I also think about those days. What takes precedence is the Excel data or HFT indicator. As I told that if market is slightly in one direction, so use the money flow and the smart trend. That's the good combination. And if like and use the HFT to keep a track. Like suppose like you see call writing and the charts are bending, then you know that you have to stop there and follow the HFT. So that's how you can combine the 3 indicators and that's it. And again I'm saying it's a complete setup. In every scenario one or the two will work, definitely work. Out of 3, 2 will definitely work. And that's why like you just have to follow 3 indicators. And that's why I said your indicator is very good in normal time, but end of expiry something. No, end of expiry, if you're saying just go and check out last expiry. I was also live last Thursday. ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब I think the last Thursday also I was live. I don't remember but the last Thursday I was definitely live. Last to last I don't remember, but last Thursday I was definitely live. Go and check out. We captured that last pump. You can try in the money premium to see. So in the money we are there. Like this is 24,800, but still there wasn't any signal in like. But in Bank Nifty there was. In Bank Nifty you see. After movement, you see the call letters are there, that's fine. But just before 3 p.m., like 258, 253, 249. So it was flat and these guys were there. We don't follow the deep red. So in Bank Nifty, we got the signal, right? Even here also, like mostly light green. So throughout from here, like the put writers were mostly active in this region. So in Bank Nifty there were signals, but in Nifty it wasn't. So kya kare? It happens. Stock market is not an easy game. So again, wherever it gave you signal, see out of 10 times, is it working at least 8 times? Is it also catching the reversals? Last 30-minute up move was captured in next week data also, or only this week data? We haven't opened next week data. This is this week only. Lost 5k. Sorry, Ajit Babu. Sorry to hear that. use SL whenever you are in the smart trend buy zone, you are shorting or something going opposite to the smart trend, use SL. And if you are going as per the smart trend, then there will be the smart trend will itself give you the SL. Ajit Kumar, how did you manage the capture this move and made 1 lakh? So what the last 30-minute data says in upcoming week, will this up move sustain tomorrow? No. So again, last Thursday also I said like this data is like 80% this week, this current expiry. So this current month expiry. So it finishes here. So if it was a normal day, then we could have said something, but today it's done. Okay, it's all finished. So again, let's have a recap. Like those who are saying that. So let's have a recap today. Like first of all, let's say that is again like here we saw. Let's also like point out 24,700. If you see like here call riders were there, gap up. Okay, and the like here some put riders were there, but again if you go and check out 24,700, let's see. So there, I think they were averaging out their writing positions that they did yesterday. So this is 2905. So even as I said, I am testing the one which is like on smaller time frame. So there it like right at the beginning they short it like, so there it captured there. But yes, now let's come to what is available to everyone. So they shorted again. Now here I think like they were the ones like who were averaging out their positions, and then after this like this reversal, like the sell signal also came in. So this reversal could have been captured, and here that is like here there were some put riders, but they tried but they failed here. Again they tried it a little bit to get out, and so again starting here mostly call riders were present and again fell. Starting here put riders were present. Okay, but going down here, so it's 750 or there. So let's see, again put writing happened. So again it fell, and again put writing happened. So there were throughout. So whenever such put writing is happening, like draw the levels. Okay, so like here also put writing happened, here also mostly put writing happened, and then again they took it up here. But again right here call writers happened, came down right below, again they put shorted, and then it went up, and then again like this was the reason where put writing happened. And again here some put writers were there, we saw this live, and yeah, so the rest was like here again going up, there were call writers here. So then again it like started coming down, and the last what happened. So that is how the overall it went today in Nifty. Okay, so next week's expiry, yes, I'm showing. Can you what the last 30-minute data is saying in upcoming week? Is this upmove sustain tomorrow? I think ATM strike gives most yes, ATM strike gives most accurate data, so always use the ATM. So I think next week, yeah, next week is, so yeah, so next week it's 5th June. So 5th, so this is next week. Next week little bit of put writing happened here, also some call writers were also there here. So it's a mixed signal. Next week also someone shorted here, like, and then after that someone did put writing here as well. So that's the overall picture. So nothing like a strong signal. Even in next week also they captured this reversal. Okay, so yeah, uh, so yeah, Raviji. So like currently we are not providing any discount offer because we are coming with several updates. Uh, so, but if you are going with the yearly one, we can still offer you some. But for the 6 months, we are not currently, and we are releasing some updates as well. Okay. So that's the overall view, and again, like in stocks and everything, so we showed you like how nicely it performed there. So like in Reliance, SBI, so I think so the last one was the one where it did not work, except that it's like perfectly worked out, perfectly, like everywhere it perfectly worked out here. So HDFC Bank, yeah, in HDFC Bank 1501 some put writing happened. So yes, the thing is that so far, like here you see SBI, so right at the top they sold. So LIC today I updated in the morning. Infi also, like the big call writers were there in the morning, it fell. So after that, not much activity happened there. So everywhere like it worked, only the last one where it did not work. So anyway, so 1 out of 10 it won't like so 1 out of 10 is obviously, like this is stock market and you should understand that. Okay. And anyways, so again, that's it for this video. If you have any queries or questions, you can ask. Okay guys, so I'll end it here. Okay, bye.